Hey everyone, Carly here. I thought I would share a collection of clips I have finishing up this painting. Unfortunately I didn't film the first part of it as there was a big gap between the start of this painting and finishing it off. And in the meantime I started a YouTube channel, so this is some of the first footage I got for the channel. I hadn't really worked out yet where I was going to film, where I was going to set up, the lighting and all that sort of stuff, so you can see it's pretty crude, but I'm still quite proud of this painting and I wanted to try and make some sort of video out of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy me putting the finishing touches on this painting.